These days, everyone is using a smartphone and it has become a part of our life. But have you ever wanted to remove it and check what's inside your smartphone? No? Then let's see what's inside your smartphone in this video. So I bought this old Wi-Fi Lite smartphone to remove it and showcase what's inside your smartphone. So let's get into the video. First, let's unbox this old Huawei Y5 Lite. So, this is the phone. Now let's move on to the removing process. Before that, I'm going to remove the SIM tray. Okay, now it's done. So now let's move on to the removing process. Alright, I removed the back case. So now you can see the battery and the camera module. But still there is a plastic part. So let's quickly remove it. Okay, now it's also done. Now you can see the motherboard of this phone. And you can remove the screen like this, also the battery. And there's a wire for the microphone, so I'm going to remove it from this side and from the other side. Also, you can remove the camera module like this. Subscribe to Side Mirror and click the like button. Also, if you want to get a notification, click the bell icon and click all. See you all on the next video. Side Mirror, beyond your sight.